So today I'm going to show you how to diagnose a misfire on your VW with no scan tools. So it ended up being a bad coil pack, and here's the coil pack. Yours might look a little different if you have the 12 valve VR6 or the 4-cylinder, but this is a general idea. Those are located under here. You can just pop this cover off. So if your check engine light starts flashing as soon as you start driving, it's usually going to be a misfire. So it'll rev okay, but won't drive. So if you've never changed the coil pack before, I'll show you how real quick. You just pop one of these out. They make a tool for it, but you don't really need the tool. You might need 2 hands. So you can pull it out. You can take this plug off on the top, the little VW clip, but you don't really have to. The way these clips work, you just press down there and then pop the coil pack out. Even did it one-handed. So here's your coil pack. It just sits down in there on your spark plug. You just push it on, put the plug on, and I'll show you how to work through the process of just going one by one. Remove each coil pack, put your new one in here, start the car. And then if it doesn't run any better, you come back out, put the old one back in, put the new one in number 2, start the car. We did get 6 new plugs. If we put our new plugs in and it still misfires and runs rough, then we'll move on to the coil pack. My diagnostic tool will be here tomorrow, so we'll just be guessing at our misfire right now, but we'll start with the plugs. So we set the gap on our 6 new plugs. Now we're going to go ahead and start changing them out, and then fire it up and see what happens. So I've got all 6 plugs changed out. Here are the old ones. Okay, still running poorly. So I changed out coil pack number 1. Let's see if anything happens. So we're going to go ahead and say no change after switching coil pack number 1. So we'll put number 1 back, switch number 2, and see if we can figure it out that way. Alright, I switched coil pack number 2. This definitely doesn't seem like a very good productive method, but attempt number 3, coil pack number 3. Number 4. So of course I stopped filming while I do number 5, and I think it might be number 5, but so we'll try number 6, and if it gets worse, then we'll go back to 5. That might be it. It's not too rough right now. So let's see. We'll pull that one out and switch it to 6. The other thing I could do is put 5 back to the old one and not touch 6. Alright, so let's see if it gets worse now that we switched the new coil pack to number 6. Yeah, I think it's visually misfiring more there. We got it maybe figured out. Alright, just when we were getting discouraged, let's fire it up and see if we can get it to run better than it did a second ago. No way. That's pretty cool if I got it. So that's how you can diagnose a misfire on your VW or Audi without having any scan tools. It's just got to go get one coil pack and keep switching it down the row until it runs good, and then, oh, we figured out our misfire. One of the next projects we're going to be doing on the Jetta is fixing some of the vacuum lines. A lot of them are hidden back under this brace. We'll have to take that off. But you can see the tape there on some of them. And the oil, and that's very bad right there. You can see where it's cracked, and I'm going to have to tape that up right now.